So I'm going to do the intro. The bloody horse is running towards us. Welcome to another video. I am the Starman and I'm here in Blackpool. In fact, I'm stood in the middle of a field at the moment. I don't know if you can see behind me, we've got a Blackpool Tower over there. Can you see it? It's about we've got some horses. Can you see those horses over there? I'm in the wilds here, but we're still in Blackpool. Yeah, we've got the water tower over there, the highest point of Blackpool. That's the highest natural point of Blackpool. Anyway, in this video, I want to talk to you about Noctilucent Clouds. It's a time of year. June and July are excellent months for spotting amazing ice cloud formations known as Noctilucent Clouds here in the UK. Yeah, so I'm here in a field in Blackpool, or just outside the main part of Blackpool anyway, and it's not the ideal sort of time to be describing Noctilucent Clouds. In fact, I did do a video already in Stanley Park last week where I was out around about half an hour after sunset and I was trying to describe how to see Noctilucent Clouds, but unfortunately that video I had to scrap because the audio just didn't work. But anyway, Noctilucent Clouds are glowing ice particles that are very high up in the atmosphere. In fact, they're right up in the mesosphere, which is one of the most extreme upper parts of the atmosphere. Now, at this time of year, between May and July, the sun never goes low enough below the horizon that we don't get a perfectly dark sky. If we're looking towards the north here, now if you look out from say June and July, if you look towards the north, you'll notice in the UK already between the latitudes of say 50 and around about 65 degrees, if that's where you happen to live, say from the south coast of the UK right up to the north of Scotland, you might notice that we get like a blue twilight all night long. So if it's clear from around about 90 minutes after sunset and you look towards the northwest, start towards the northwest first, so that would be over this way. You see that row of trees there? That row of trees is around about 10 degrees at the most, high up. If you outstretch your hand and put your palm like that, that's about 10 degrees. Now, Noctilucent Clouds tend to rise to around about twice the height of those trees there at the most, so you would probably see them above these trees. Ideally, you do want a flat horizon. I'm just going to show you some pictures on the screen now of Noctilucent Clouds that I've taken. I've seen them every year since I first heard about them in 2013. Yes, every year. And they usually show up first in June, although they can show up in May. I'm just showing you some pictures now. I've taken them all over the place, and it doesn't matter, you don't need to be anywhere dark to see them. Yeah, so you can see them anywhere. You don't need to be anywhere dark to see them. That's a good thing about Noctilucent Clouds. I've taken pictures of them in Blackpool. You can see them above Blackpool Tower there. It really doesn't matter about light pollution. But anyway, there you go, that's some pictures just giving you some idea. They're absolutely amazing, aren't they? And if you want to take photographs of them, by the way, it's not that difficult. You can just point your camera towards them, focus on infinity, set your ISO for around about 800 or something like that, and take a 5 to 10 second exposure just to give yourself a good chance of capturing them on camera. So, like I say, if you want to have a chance of seeing them, look towards the northwest, 90 minutes after sunset. If it's a bit later than that, after midnight, say, you want to look towards the north, you never know, they might just show up. They might not show up straight away. In fact, they might not even show up until the early morning. So if you're out, say, until around about, say, 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, they might just show up, but they'll show up towards the northeast because that's where the sun's going to be at that time. That's when they might show up. You cannot predict Noctilucent Clouds. The best time to look is probably 90 minutes after sunset, 2 hours towards the northwest. And if it's a bit later than that, say midnight, you want to look towards the north, and you never know, they might just show up. So there you go, that's Noctilucent Clouds. I hope you get a chance to see them and also maybe even photograph them as well. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and also hit subscribe and tick the bell for notifications of new videos, and I will see you again on the next one.